We're not going to be seeing these in the US. We're not going to be seeing the Air Jordan 4 Pine Greens or even the Lost and Founds as it has been advertised. It ain't happening, bro. It's not happening. Yo, so it all makes sense now, bro. It all makes 100% sense, bro. It's all factual, man. The stuff that we have been hearing might have gotten a little bit, you know what I'm saying, flex up a little bit more than what it was. But we have to talk about it in today's video because there's still people asking me and commenting in my video previously about this Snkrs Day restock that we're going to be seeing. But I got all the full rundown to let you guys know what's going on. All right, so recently I got a comment in my comment section, man. Shout out to you, bro. You know exactly who you are. He pretty much said that people are confusing this Snkrs Day for something else that we have heard before in the past, and that is stash sneakers. Now, when this thing first popped off, not a lot of people understood what it really was. Me, myself, I was still kind of, you know, left behind, like, yo, what is this? You know, so I was following them. I had them on my, you know, all my notifications, stuff like that. And then now we hear about a Snkrs Day restock from these different sneaker outlets, and they're not letting us know the full rundown on what this Snkrs Day is. And this is not even really a Snkrs Day, because you gotta think about it, bro. It's sneakers in the US and in the EU. And what I'm gonna tell you guys today is gonna blow y'all mind, because I know a lot of people do not know what is going on. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. I got an email out of nowhere. I'm like, oh, hold on. It kind of makes sense on what somebody commented the other day, and it's email out of nowhere from Stash Snkrs. And I'm gonna put a screenshot up here, and I'm gonna kind of read through it and show you guys exactly, you know, what is going on, man. So it pretty much says, hi, DeVintage. We are 2 days away from doing the biggest restock of the year. So people are labeling it says, you know, Snkrs Day, but it's not Snkrs Day, bro. This is Stash Snkrs Day, labeled 2024, and it's going to take place August the 8th, which we have all been hearing on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube. That's all we've been hearing about. But I've been trying to tell you guys, bro, I'm gonna keep it on 100 with y'all. Not gonna steer in the wrong direction. Not gonna try to hyperinflate anything else up. If it ain't happening, or if it is happening, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. So for this Stash Snkrs Day, bro, it ain't happening in the US. It ain't happening in the US. Is happening strictly over in Europe. I know, you know, bummer. You know, you guys can hit that like button for your boys still if you have not already. Like button go a long way. But I just wanted to kind of, you know, run down and show you guys that this is not a Snkrs Day. And I don't think we ever really got a Snkrs Day. Even last year, the big hype was we getting orange lobsters, we getting all types of crazy heat, Travis Scott's, all type of stuff. And we didn't get anything in the US besides a pair or a couple pair of Air Maxes. But for August the 8th, taking place in Europe and available through the Stash membership only. So not only do you have to be a Stash member, you know, Stash Snkrs member, you also have to be living in Europe. And if you don't got a VPN or what do they call it? If you ain't got no address over in Germany, man, or Europe, wherever that may be, you are SOL, man. But it is really happening. This is really happening. That's what kind of, you know, made me want to talk about this in today's video. Like, yo, this is something that's really popping off. This restock is really happening for the Stash Snkrs Day, and we're not getting any love here in the United States. So I finally got that full, you know, concrete information I needed, and it has all the shoes, all the rundown. I put a screenshot up here, but you're going to be getting the Air Jordan 1 Low Trophy Rooms, Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Founds, Military Blues, which I did say we should see those, a couple pair of Dunks, some SBs, some Air Maxes, some Travis Scotts you guys can see on the screen, some Off-White Dunks, more Travis Scotts, and of course the SB Pine Green Air Jordan 4s. And I said, yo, I did not think that we're going to get this in the US. Like, we have not gotten anything crazy like this, but something that's more centralized to the United States that we do get is those, you know, Jordan Reserves. I think kind of like them Jordan Reserves is what we could see as something like this Stash Snkrs Day. I can't put a, you know, a definitive, you know, answer on that, but I do know that this restock right here is definitely happening. But there's more details about this if you guys want to check out. Just stay tuned. So it says Snkrs Day has gotten worse and worse every year, with major expectations and even bigger disappointment. We all expect major heat to restock, but at the end of the day, the only pairs that drop go below retail price, which is 100% fact. And it said that that's why on August 8th we're hosting Stash Snkrs Day. So this isn't even like tied to Sneakers app. I don't know. You guys let me know. Is this even tied to the Nike sneakers app? Because you guys see it says stash sneakers and stuff like that, but they ain't saying nothing about Nike. But it says, again, on August 8th, we're hosting the Stash Sneakers Day, 10 sometime in Germany. I don't know what time zone it is, put a couple screenshots up here. But it says that means you'll have second chance to cop some of your favorite releases for retail and add more major heat like Travis Scott, Futuras, and other sneakers and stuff like that. So, and it says, you know, pretty much break down how this sneakers day or this stash sneakers day is going to work. It says in order to gain access to each restock, you will need to either solve a challenge, find the hidden key, be the first to check out. And they said no bots are allowed. So that kind of just answered my question, bro. This has nothing to do with Nike themselves. That's crazy, bro. This ain't Nike, bro. This is not Nike. I think it was, you know, Nike sneakers app, but I follow a page over on Twitter and Instagram called Stash Sneakers, but it's not Nike sneakers app. So that's the whole hoopla, the whole buzz, the whole thing that everybody's been running with, you know, without that definitive answer. But we do get a sneakers day in the United States. That's where the, you know, the confusion comes in. We do get sneakers day in the United States. Last year we got, you know, some Air Maxes, some Air Max 1s and stuff like that. And the year before, I don't know what it was, but it was nothing crazy. But again, the hype was still brought up. So what this other company is doing, I guess, Stash, they're restocking stuff to kind of build their brand, and they're naming it Stash Sneakers. I don't think Nike can, you know, trademark or, you know, copyright sneakers, SNKRS. So it's smart on their part. But yeah, we're not gonna be seeing, you know, any of these shoes, man. Let me grab them, man. We're not gonna be seeing these in the US. We're not gonna be seeing the Air Jordan 4 Pine Greens or even the Lost and Founds as it has been advertised. It ain't happening, bro. It's not happening, which is kind of trash because, you know, once you hear something like that, you really want it to happen. I know me myself, bro. I say, yo, I need another pair of Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and I would not mind another pair of Air Jordan 4 Pine Green SBs. But again, man, it ain't happening. But something I could see, which I said in yesterday's video, we could definitely see, or 2 days ago in the video, I said we could definitely see a restock on the military blues. I think they still have a bunch more pairs. Even today, I seen a restock over the Air Jordan 4 wet cement Paris Olympic joints, and they just restocked, so we can see some stuff like that, or like a solidified like Jordan 4 reserve, like, you know, like we used to see back in the day for, you know, specific silhouettes. Predominantly like 2 years ago, the Jordan 1. It was a bunch of Jordan 1 reserves, stuff that was going for under retail, stuff that did not sell, and they labeled it as a reserve on the Nike sneakers app. So I'm sorry to break it to y'all, man. Just had to come up on here, drop this video, let you guys know what is going on, give you guys a full scoop, the full 101 on what is popping off. Ain't no sneakers day, bro. And I was really excited too. I'm like, you know, last year they played us. They definitely played us, Nike. And what's crazy is we didn't get no word, you know, from Nike saying like, we gonna drop this stuff. It's always like a surprise when they do things. So people try to assume and guess what's gonna happen. But at the end of the day, man, the stuff that we have been seeing the last couple days, bro, it honestly is not happening. I can say that in today's video with, you know, 100% certainty, man. But I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. It is always greatly appreciated, man. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content. And all that's been said, man, we're gonna see what's gonna happen in 2025 Sneakers Day with all the heat that's dropping, man. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.